Thanks for joining my channel. Please subscribe. I publish several new videos of affirmation and meditation weekly. I would hate for you to miss out. My goal here is to push you forward to creating the life you deserve. So let's get into this 21-day manifest challenge. For less than 7 minutes, creating the life you deserve. Steve Harvey says, everything we imagine is life's coming attractions. Wow, if that's so, let's imagine the heck out of it. According to the law of attraction, visualization is the key component of attracting what you want. You must realize that you are powerful, able, and strong. Step 1. Let's get it. Prepare to create. I need you to find a place that is free of distractions. Now, let's practice on breathing. Close your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. Hold it for a count of 4. Now exhale. Bring out all of the negative and all of the stress of the day. Are you focused? If so, what is it that you want? I need you to be precise. If you're not precise, then how can the universe give you what it is that you want? Maybe you need that promotion or that car or the house. Maybe you want to travel more money. You want to get healthy. You've been trying to get pregnant but can't conceive. What is it that you want? Be very clear. Step 2. Look for 3 signs. When you have visualized that thing you want to manifest, you should be precise so that you can recognize when the universe leads you to that thing by hearing it or seeing it 3 times. The quickest way to manifest and create the life in which you desire is through capturing that through feeling by using your 5 senses. This means conveying the emotion and seeing yourself in that very place at that instant moment. This is key to receiving it quicker. Now that you are clear of the thing you want, you will be in tune and open to recognize opportunities leading you exactly to that thing you visualized. Continuing on with step 3. The test. Learn to appreciate challenges when they come your way. The universe has to know that you are ready for the thing you are asking for. So pay attention how you react when difficulty crosses your path. You need to pay attention of how you react when difficulty crosses you. You never know what doors you may be closing, what opportunities you may be stopping. So be slow to react and grow from how you normally would have negatively reacted in the past, because the universe is watching. Let go and let in. If you hold on tight to something with fear of the unknown, whether it will be replaced, you will miss out on opportunities for the universe to replace it with something better. Thanks for watching. I hope that I have inspired you to start your journey out on this 21-day manifest journey.